Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a very powerful application that will help you manage and format PDF files. The application is called Systweak PDF Editor. It is a comprehensive, all-in-one PDF tool designed to give you complete control over your documents. With this application, you can easily view, create, and edit text or images directly inside any PDF file. It also allows you to scan physical documents, merge or split pages, add annotations and highlights, create viewable forms, and digitally sign your work. On top of that, it includes powerful security features like adding watermarks and password protection to keep your sensitive data fully secure. Systweak PDF Editor packs all of these professional tools into a single, cohesive dashboard, allowing you to streamline your workflow and handle daily document tasks effortlessly. It is truly an indispensable asset for businesses, freelancers, and anyone handling corporate paperwork. In this video, we will go through everything step by step. We will start with how to download and install the software, then walk through how to use it, and finally explore all of its most powerful hidden features. Okay, to get Systweak PDF Editor, open your browser, and head over to the official website using the link I've provided in the video description. Please don't download the application from unknown sources. The application is highly versatile and available across all major platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. This is a very important feature for users who use different systems. Scrolling down, you'll find a clear comparison between the free trial and the full version. While the free trial allows you to try out a wide range of tools, it does come with some limitations, such as being restricted to merging a maximum of 3 files or converting only the first 3 pages of a document. Furthermore, core premium features are entirely locked in the free version. To unlock the ability to directly edit text inside a PDF, apply advanced permission restrictions, use digital certificate signatures, turn scanned documents into editable text with OCR, batch process multiple files at once, or repair damaged PDFs, you will need to upgrade to the full version. The good news is that trying out the full version is completely risk-free. Systweak offers a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee, meaning if you face any issues or are not satisfied within the first 60 days of your purchase, you can contact support for a full refund. Now, simply click the download button to get the installer for the application. The file will begin downloading immediately, and it should only take a few seconds to complete. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder, locate the installer setup file, and double-click it to launch the installation wizard. OK, click the Next button, and a window will appear with 2 checkboxes. The first option asks if you want to create a desktop shortcut for quick access, while the second asks if you want to create a shortcut for quick launch. You can select or deselect these options depending on how you organize your workspace. Keep in mind that the application requires at least 210 megabytes of free disk space on your drive. Click Next. The installer will begin downloading the necessary setup files directly from the internet and installing them onto your system. Because of this, please make sure your computer stays connected to a stable internet connection throughout the process. Simply wait a few moments for the progress bar to fill up, and once it completes, click the Finish button to complete the setup. When you first open Systweak PDF Editor, a pop-up will ask if you want to set it as your default PDF reader. Click Yes to always open your PDFs with this app, or No to keep your current settings. You can also check the box at the bottom so this message does not appear again. The app's main interface boasts a stunning design. The control panel features a sleek and modern look, conveying a sense of professionalism and ease of use. All the essential tools are neatly arranged right in front of you with clear icons, making navigation seamless. It's perfectly designed so that even casual users can easily access any feature they need. At the top right of the screen, you'll find a drop-down menu that allows you to change the app's interface language to your preferred language. Several languages are available, and right next to them is a smart search box. If you're looking for a specific tool, simply type its name into the box to go directly to it, saving you the trouble of searching through menus. On the left side of the dashboard, you have a convenient control panel where you can open existing PDFs, create new ones, or quickly access your recently opened files and folders. For instance, simply click Open PDF and select the document you want to work on. Once your file is loaded, you can use the zoom tools located right there on the left panel to easily zoom in or out of your pages for a better view. To edit anything in your document, just head over to the top menu and click on the Edit tab. From here, select the Add Text tool, which will automatically highlight and select all editable text sections on your page. You can now type in new content, or completely change the font color of your existing text. When you are finished making your changes, simply click the Add Text button once more to deselect everything and save your layout. If you click on Edit Content, you will be prompted to activate the software, while the application offers a 7-day free trial with limited features, you will need a full license to unlock advanced editing. To activate it, click the key icon at the top right of the screen. To open the activation window, paste the license key that you received in your email after purchase, and click Activate Now. Within a few seconds, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your application has been successfully activated. Now that the application is activated, clicking Edit Content gives you full freedom to modify any existing text, or add brand new text boxes directly onto the page. Once you are finished editing, just click the button again to lock your changes. Next is the Add Image tool, which lets you insert any graphic or photo into your file. You can easily drag the image to place it exactly where you want, delete any old images you no longer need, and use the Properties panel that appears on the right side to resize or fully adjust your new image. Also have the Search and Replace feature. This tool scans your entire document to instantly find specific words or phrases and lets you replace them all at once, which is incredibly useful for fixing repeated typos or updating recurring names in seconds. Another highly professional feature is Sign PDF. This tool allows you to draw your signature by hand, upload a pre-made signature image from your computer, or type a new one to place anywhere on your document pages. We also have the cropping and adding link options to insert clickable hyperlinks. Since we cannot cover every single tool in detail today, I highly recommend downloading the application to test these out yourself in your daily workflow. Additionally, the watermark feature is excellent for protecting your intellectual property and branding your documents. It gives you full control to add either a custom text or an image watermark, position it anywhere on the page, and completely customize its font size, rotation, and transparency level to perfectly fit your needs. You can also design your own stamp, create notes, and enjoy other great features. And when you switch over to the Comment tab, you will find excellent collaboration tools like Highlight. This lets you choose a custom color from the right sidebar and use it to instantly draw attention to any key paragraph or sentence in your file. Right next to it is the Underline tool, which allows you to place a solid line beneath any specific word or phrase, and you can easily change its color to fit your formatting style. We also find the Strike Through feature, which allows you to precisely strike through text, and right next to it is the Zigzag tool, which places a zigzag line under words to indicate possible edits or errors. And use Freehand Line to draw manually and add notes to drop detailed text feedback icons, and you can also use Stamp for document status, Shapes for clean geometry, and attachments to embed supporting files. And when you click on the Convert tab, you will find two main features, Convert To and Convert From. Under Convert To, you can instantly turn your PDF files into other formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, plain text, HTML, and EPUB. Under Convert From, you can do the exact opposite by changing files like Word documents, Excel sheets, PowerPoint presentations, images, HTML web pages, or even direct scanner feeds into a clean PDF format. This means the application gives you total flexibility to smoothly convert your files to and from almost any popular format you work with. When it comes to safety, Systweak PDF Editor provides excellent security options. By clicking on the Secure tab, you can choose to password protect your files, restrict printing or copying permissions, and sign them securely. To set a password, simply click Protect, type in your password, and save your document. As you can see, this application is absolutely packed with powerful features. Because it offers so much functionality, I will be creating separate, detailed videos to dive deep into each major tool individually. This video was just a quick introduction to show you how to get the application, set it up, and navigate its core layout. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you do not miss my upcoming detailed tutorials, and leave a comment below letting me know which feature you want me to explain next. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.